Once upon a time, there were an old man and an old woman. They lived in a nice house with a beautiful garden around it. There were many beautiful flowers in the garden. But they were not very happy. Why were they unhappy? Maybe they didn't have any children, so they felt lonely. Perhaps there was nobody to look after them and help them do their housework. Maybe they often quarreled with each other. Well, these are all possible answers. But the old man and woman were really unhappy because they had some unwelcome visitors in their house. Who were these unwelcome visitors?
Come on, everybody! It's party time again! Thank you, Mom.
Those rats and mice, my, they're not nice. They eat my food and break my things. They're nasty, nasty beings,
said the old woman. Look, the mice are having a meeting.
I'm a brave, brave mouse. I go marching through the house, and I'm not afraid of anything. For danger, I'm prepared, and I'm never scared. No, I'm not afraid of anything. What about a cat? What? A cat?
Yes, a cat. Big and fat.
Well, except for a cat, I'm not afraid of anything.
How daring these mice are.
I'm really fed up with the mice around the house. If only we had a cat, then I could get rid of all these mice.
A cat?
Asked the old man.
Yes, a sweet little fluffy cat,
said the old woman.
I will get you a cat, my dear,
said the old man. The old man set off to look for a cat. He climbed over the sunny hills. He walked through the cool valleys. He walked a long, long time, and at last he came to a hill. Guess what he saw there? You couldn't believe it. Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Tens of cats, hundreds of cats, and thousands of cats.
Ooh!
Cried the old man joyfully.
Now I can choose the prettiest cat and take it home with me.
So he chose one. It was white. But just as he was about to leave, he saw another black and white one. This cat was just as pretty as the first one, so he also took this one. But then he saw another grey fluffy kitten that was as pretty as the other two, so he took it too. And now he saw another lovely kitten sitting in a corner. He thought it was too lovely to leave, so he took this one too. Just then, over here, the old man found a kitten that was black and very beautiful.
This one is really lovely,
said the old man.
Oh.
So he took it. And now, over there, he saw a cat with brown and yellow stripes like a baby tiger.
Oh, I simply must take it.
Cried the old man. And he did.
Oh.
Feeling happy with these lovely cats and kittens, he walked on. But every time the old man saw another lovely cat, he simply could not leave it. And he ended up funny to see the tens, hundreds and thousands of cats following him all the way home.
We are hungry!
Cried the tens of cats, hundreds of cats and thousands of cats.
There is a lot of grass on the hills,
said the old man. Each cat ate a mouthful of the grass. Guess what happened? All the grass was gone. Later, they came to a pond.
We are thirsty!
Cried the tens of cats, hundreds of cats and thousands of cats.
Well, here is a pool of water,
said the old man. Each cat took a sip of water. Guess what happened this time? Yes, the pond was gone. Back at home, the old woman was waiting at the door. As she saw them coming, she exclaimed,
My dear, what are you doing? I asked for one little cat. And what do I see? Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Tens of cats, hundreds of cats and thousands of cats.
The old woman looked worried.
When you were away, I met our neighbour, Mr. Brown. He told me the trouble of having two cats at home.
Cats are everywhere. On the table, on the chair, under the bed, on the stair, down on the floor, up in the air. They are here. They are there. They jump at you from nowhere. They will trip you unaware. Whatever you have, they want to share. That's not what I would call fair. So though they say I have a nice pair, you can have them, for all I care.
You see, 2 cats are already so troublesome. I just can't imagine keeping 1,000 cats at home. Besides, we can never feed them all, said the old woman. And we'll never have a moment of peace in the house.
I've never thought of that,
said the old man.
What shall we do?
What should they do? How could they solve the problem? The old woman thought for a while, and then she said,
I know. We'll let the cats decide which one we should keep.
Oh, yes.
said the old man, and he called to the cats.
Which one of you is the prettiest?
I am. I am.
No, I am the prettiest.
I am.
Well, I am!
Cried tens, hundreds and thousands of voices, for each cat thought itself the prettiest. They quarrelled with each other. They made such a great noise that the old man and the old woman ran into the house. They did not like such quarrelling. But after a while, the noise stopped. The old man and the old woman peeped out of the window to see what had happened. Guess what had happened? The cats were all gone.
I think they must have chased each other back to the hills. What a pity. Not even one single cat is left.
But look,
said the old man. He pointed to a clump of tall grass, and a little frightened kitten was sitting there. They went out and picked it up. It was thin and weak.
Poor little kitty,
dear little kitty,
said the old man.
why are you here all alone? Why didn't you join the other thousands of cats?
Why was the little cat alone in the garden?
Oh, I'm just a little cat,
said the kitten.
When you asked who was the prettiest, I didn't say anything, so nobody bothered about me.
They took the kitten into the house.
look at Pat. She's getting fatter and prettier.
said people were very happy to have Pat with them. Why were they so happy to keep Pat at home?